Hello, welcome back to Call Menopause. My name is Karen, and today I'm going to be talking eyebrows, which can cause quite a bit of a problem as you get older, I've found, because they just get sparser and sparser and sparser. Mine particularly so through my 40s and now into my 50s. Never had a very thick eyebrow anyway, and it's just losing hair like the rate of knots. So I've been wondering what to do about it. I've thought about tattooing, but I'm not brave enough, and also it's quite expensive. I thought about dyeing, but of course that doesn't last very long. And again, I don't have a lot of hair to dye in some places, practically none. So I've been working with a way of helping my brows out at home relatively cheaply. And I've gone to my go-to makeup brand, Revolution, in this case, Revolution Pro. And you can pick Revolution up from Superdrug on the shelf, Superdrug online, or you can go to their website, Revolution's website, where they've got all the products there. Terrific company, amazing products, great delivery if you can't get to the store. Anyway, I started off, about a year and a half ago with the Ultra Eyebrow palette, which, as you can see, has seen better days. This is the lid of it because it broke. So it's a fantastic palette. I won't go into too much detail because it's not available anymore. I want to share with you some new products. But as you can see, you got 4 different powder tones. You got some cream shades there. You got a concealer, it's a bit dirty now, a highlighter, a pencil and a brush. Of this whole palette, I was only using that, the medium brown powder. So it's a real waste dragging that out every morning just to apply the one product. So I was really delighted to see on the shelf, I don't know if it's new or just new to my particular branch, and I know it's back to front, I'm sorry about that, it's the Duo Brow Powder Revolution Pro. And in this case, I bought the medium brown because I like to go for the tone that matches my natural hair colour. So there it is. It comes in quite a nice sturdy container here. You get 2 shades. I'll probably be using this one most, but you can blend in for a really natural look using the lighter shade. Now it's 2 for 1, so I can't exactly remember how much these were. So I picked up also the Microblading Effect pencil. And again, I got that in medium brown. There are loads of different shades available. And that is a really fine twist up pencil that you can use to paint on the effect of individual hairs. How do I apply those? I won't show you directly now because I'll have to take my glasses off to see properly. And then I'll end up not being able to see at all and chucking the products all over the floor, and so it's far better that you watch somebody who's really a specialist in application videos. This is really just a product recommendation. But to give you an idea, I will use a brush like this. This is actually Make Up Gallery from Poundland, which has a really great range of basic items, particularly the brushes and things can be really useful. So obviously it was £1, could even have been less, could have been 50p, I don't know. But I brush the brow up to begin with using this, get it into a really nice shape, the shape you want to end up with. Then I will apply the powder using this Artis Linear 1 brush. Now I've talked about these Artis brushes in a previous video if you want to go back and have a look at that. You can just use an ordinary eyebrow brush you can pick up from Primark or indeed from Poundland. You know, I find the Primark brush is actually superb. But what I do, I'll go in with that. I will paint on to the brows. I start with the bit of brow that is the most sparse. So in my case, that's the middle. And then I will go out on both sides, and then I'll go back over the brow to the bits that are more defined for me naturally. You can build this up, do as much as you like to get the effect you want. If you want to go for a slightly stronger effect, then I would use this first. I would use the pencil first, and I would paint on individual brow hairs there to get a really defined look. And with this, I think you could go super strong. It's not my look. I do really like the look of those really painted on, defined shaped brows. It's not for me, however, just in my daily look, I tend to go quite natural. So for me, just using this lightly to fill in the missing hairs is great, but you could really go to town with this and really define your brows. I then finish off back with this just to brush it all back up to shape. I find brushing up really opens the eyes out. I don't shape my brows because there's not enough to shape, to be honest. There aren't really any stray hairs, so I don't really need to go and get that done. So I just find brushing actually works really well for me. So if you, like me, have got thinning brows or just want a good brow product, I really recommend Revolution Pro. Have a look. There's lots of different products, lots of cream products if you like a cream product, lots of different pencils for brows, lots of different colours. You don't tend to be able to try Revolution products on the shelf. They have testers for some things but not for others. So have a good look, see what works best for you, your hair colour and the look you're trying to achieve. And I hope you find something of use there. Anyway, I hope you find this enjoyable. Please do like this video. Please do share this video. And please follow us on YouTube. Please subscribe for some more product recommendations and some more tips soon. All right then, until then, see you. Bye.